Meaning and nature of impeachment.
Impeachment has been defined as a method of national inquest into the conduct of public men. It is essentially in the nature of a criminal prosecution before a quasi-political court instituted by a written accusation called articles of impeachment upon a charge of the commission of a crime or some official misconduct or neglect.
Article 11, Accountability of Public Officers. Section 2, the President, the Vice President, the members of the Supreme Court, the members of the Constitutional Commissions, and the Ombudsman may be removed from office. On impeachment for the conviction of culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes or betrayal of public trust. All other public officers and employees may be removed from office as provided by law, but not by impeachment.
Purpose of impeachment. Its purpose is to protect the people from official delinquencies or malfeasances. It is, therefore, primarily intended for the protection of the state, not for the punishment of the offender. The penalties attached to impeachment are merely incidental to the primary intention of protecting the people as a body politic.
Kasi ang anumang impeachment, base yan sa Constitution natin, di ba? Sa grounds para dun sa mga official, mga constitutional position na nakalagay sa Constitution, mga constitutional commission officer, yan. Isa yan yung Supreme Court Justices. So para makasuhan mo siya, kailangan impeach mo muna, yung unang process, initial process, para ma-impeach mo. Pag na-decision na siya, na-impeach siya, nag-violate siya ng culpable violation ng Constitution, matatanggal siya sa pwesto.
Officials removable by impeachment. As provided in the Constitution, they are the President and the Vice President, the members of the Supreme Court, the members of the Constitutional Commissions, and the Ombudsman. Grounds for impeachment. They are as follows: culpable violation of the Constitution, treason, bribery, either direct bribery or indirect bribery, graft and corruption, other high crimes, and betrayal of public trust.
Power to initiate and try impeachment vested in Congress.
The House of Representatives shall have the sole power to initiate all cases of impeachment. Section 3. Under the 1973 Constitution, which instituted a unicameral legislative body, the process of impeachment was vested only in the Batasang Pambansa. It was thus both the initiator and trier of impeachment cases.
The Senate shall have the sole power to try all cases of impeachment. Section 3.6. Under the 1935 Charter, the power to initiate impeachment proceedings was also exclusively vested in the House of Representatives, while the power to try and decide all cases of impeachment in the Senate. Hence, if the House should refuse to initiate or file charges, the Senate would have no occasion to sit as a court of impeachment. This is also true under the present Constitution.
Procedure in impeachment cases: filing of verified complaint, trial by the Senate, and requirements for conviction. Penalty in impeachment cases: the penalty to be imposed on an officer found guilty of an impeachment charge is limited to removal from office and disqualification to hold any office under the Republic of the Philippines. No penalty in the form of imprisonment or fine may be imposed. If a criminal offense has been committed, the party convicted is still liable and subject to prosecution, trial, and punishment in accordance with law before the courts. Officials who are removable only by impeachment cannot be charged criminally or administratively during their incumbency before any court with an offense or misbehavior conviction for which carries the penalty of removal from office. The remedy is to file a complaint for impeachment, and only after the party concerned is convicted and removed from office may he be held to answer either criminally or administratively for the offense of misbehavior. proven to have been committed by him in the impeachment proceeding.
Sa ating bansa, 3 beses nang nagkaroon ng impeachment. Ang mga opisyal na ito ay sina dating Pangulong Joseph Ejercito Estrada,
was in effect. And during the point that I was raising when I was having the floor,
This is AMC's continuing coverage of the Estrada
he made his point. A group of
March
spectators in that part of the gallery
17,
went
2000.
out of their way to stand up
Pumunta
of
ka
their seats, deliberately
doon
violating
sa
the sign
kay Mayor
which are
Estrada
very
uli.
clearly pasted on our walls
Kumuha ka
saying,
naman ng
please
ticket.
remain seated.
Totoo ba yun?
Because they were
Just to
sure
look
that I was
at me
going to
in a
win the
provocative
elections,
way.
that I was going to be given a major chairmanship of a major committee in the House
Raise
of
their questions
Representatives.
with a witness.
dating Ombudsman Mercedes Gutierrez,
trial ni Ombudsman Mercedes Gutierrez. Pero ngayon pa lang, nag-alok na ng tulong sa prosekusyon ng ilang bar top-notcher. Kasama na po dyan ang mga nanguna sa nakaraang
Tapos nga lang na naging botohan dito hinggil nga sa impeachment ni Ombudsman Mercedes Gutierrez dito nga sa Kamara. At base nga sa lumabas na resulta ng botohan, 200 din ang sumang-ayon para ituloy ang impeachment trial.
Matapos ang
Hindi naman may mga ilan pa nga rin na patuloy pa nga rin nagpapaliwanag ng naging resulta ng kanilang botohan, Paolo.
So right now, may nagpapaliwanag pero may mga nakatayo at mga nagkakamayan na.
Kahit na hindi pa natatanggap ang articles
Sa ngayon, dahil halos talagang pagkatapos ng botohan, Paolo, halos talagang parang biglang luminis nga itong plenaryo natin.
At ang kasalukuyang dinidinig ngayong sa korte ay ang kaso ni Chief Justice Renato C. Corona.
In accordance with the rules of procedure on impeachment trials, may we ask that the parties and or their respective counsel be directed to enter their appearances.
Mahal naming miyembro ng
Mr. Senate President,
magandang hapon po sa inyong
ladies
lahat.
and gentlemen of the
This is
Senate,
retired Justice Serafin Cuevas,
respectfully
Your Honor, appearing for the
House of
respondent
Representatives prosecution panel.
Renato Corona, Your Honor.
Neil Tupas Jr.
And for that purpose, Your Honor, may we be allowed to state for the record that the Honorable Justice
Sa aming pagpunta sa Senado, amin nasaksihan ang ika-11 paglilitis sa impeachment trial ni Chief Justice Corona. Aming nakapanayam ang ilan sa mga naging saksi sa trial noong araw na iyon. The grounds for impeachment on Chief Justice Corona's case.
Yung nakalagay sa Constitution natin, culpable violation ng Constitution, and then at the same time yung betrayal of public trust, ayan yung katulad yung dinididig ngayon, yan yung sa SALN. Actually, hindi siya nag-declare. Tinitingnan dyan yung truthfulness, accuracy, tsaka time.
Siguro nagsisimula to dun sa nga sa SAL, but then again, hindi lang naman siya yung public official na merong problema sa SAL dahil yun nga, lumalabas doon, hindi ganun siya kalinaw. Hindi naging kumpleto yung information na nandoon, kaya tuloy nandito siya sa ganitong problema. Dagdag pa dyan, yung issue na naging midnight appointee siya, pati yung 19 decisions or was it 20 decisions na ginawa ni Corona na kung saan involved si dating Pangulong Gloria Macapagal Arroyo na pumapabor siya palagi sa dating Pangulo.
Sino ang nagsulong ng impeachment complaint laban kay Chief Justice Corona?
Congress, kasi sila yung sildo naman ang galing talaga yung impeachment. Pero syempre, alam naman ng lahat na yung kidwaan ng executive pati ng judicial nagsimula pa even before. Simula pa lang nung time na nanumpa si Pinoy.
Ano ang mangyayari kay Chief Justice Corona kapag siya ay na-impeach na?
Mawala siya bilang Chief Justice kasi as incumbent Chief Justice, hindi siya pwedeng kasuhan ng criminal or civil. So initiatory yan para tanggalin siya at makasuhan ng criminal kasi maraming mga criminal na allegations na nag-commit siya ng mga criminal offense at same time siya administrative or civil offense. So kailangan i-impeach muna siya. After ma-impeach niya, ma-decision na siya na impeach na siya sa tanggal sa pwesto, pwede na mag-file yung concerned parties, even the government, may file a criminal case against him or Anti-Graft Practices Act under RA 3019, pwede siyang filean.
Ano ang iyong mensahe sa ating gobyerno hinggil sa impeachment trial na nagaganap?
Ang trabaho, maging transparent sa tao. Alam mo naman ang Pilipinas, ever since simula pa ng Spanish, actually namana natin sa Spanish yan. Then pumunta yung American. So mahirap na tanggalin, pero kailangan maging transparent sila, tingnan nila yung constitution habang gumagawa o nagpa-function o na-observe nila yung responsibilities na bilang government official.
Ito ang impeachment at ito ang kasalukuyang nangyayari sa ating gobyerno. Tayo lumabas sa ating mga kahon at makialam.